Having visibility of a network's health, efficiency, and service levels is crucial to network and services operations. NSP assurance applications provide operators with the diagnosis and troubleshooting tools required to keep networks and services operating efficiently. This video shows you how to use NSP applications to monitor service health and performance. For this demo, service supervision groups have already been created, and rules have been added so that a new service created by service fulfillment gets added automatically to a service supervision group. Further, an E-line service has already been created in the intent-based service fulfillment application. Let's start by validating the service in service fulfillment. We'll validate that the service is up and running. We can see from the green icons that the service has been created and deployed successfully and remains aligned with the service template that was used to create it. Now we'll dig deeper. Select the service, and from the More menu, click Open in Service Supervision. The Service Supervision application opens in a new tab, with the service highlighted. Here we can see that the service operational state is enabled, and the sites, endpoints, and tunnel bindings are all up. If a service is down, as indicated with red icons in the state columns, the State Causes column summarizes the reasons. Next, let's look at how to initiate OAM tests from the service. To verify that a new service is provisioned and activated properly, we can run an end-to-end OAM test from the service endpoints. An OAM test verifies that traffic flows from end to end. From the services list in Service Supervision, click More, Execute OAM Test. In the form that opens, choose the test type, choose both service endpoints, and click Proceed. This launches the Insights Administrator application and opens its Generate OAM Tests form. Verify the test details and click Generate and Execute. Take note of the generated test suite name at the top of the View Test Suite Details form. We'll use that later. When test generation is complete, we can view the results within the Insight Administrator application. Another way to monitor service function is through the Insights Viewer utility. It allows us to view raw utilization data and verify that traffic is moving between the ports that serve as service endpoints. We'll do this by starting from the Network Health Dashboard. First, we need to identify the ports for the service endpoints. On the Network Health Dashboard, navigate to Service Endpoints. Filter the list by service name to display the endpoints for the service of interest. Note the port information for the endpoints in the Name column and the NEs related to the endpoints in the NE Name column. These will help us find the ports in the port list. The ports we need are ports 1110 at OTCAN 600 and Montreal Kirkland. On the Network Health Dashboard, navigate to the Ports dashlet and filter by name. In the filtered list, we can use the NE Name column to identify the ports in our service. Select one of the endpoints in the service and click More, Plot Utilization Statistics. This opens the Insight Viewer utility, showing a chart of utilization counters automatically selected by the NSP. In the event that traffic is not flowing, as indicated by zero traffic utilization, you could also look at the error statistics by choosing Plot Error Statistics from the ports list. While the chart is open in Insights Viewer, we have a few options. We can review the counters the NSP selected, edit the chart configuration, and save the chart configuration for future use. To present the statistics on demand in Insights Viewer, the NSP creates a telemetry subscription in Insights Administrator. This subscription will be deleted when the chart is closed. To review the details of the counters being charted, click Configure. This opens the chart configuration details. Optionally, we can edit the chart configuration. Whether or not we edit the chart configuration, we also have the option to save it, which makes the chart available from Insights Viewer in the future. This will allow us to chart utilization of this service directly from Insights Viewer at another time. Next, let's create telemetry subscriptions for the service endpoints using Insights Administrator. To configure statistics collection and add the statistics to a database so that we can refer to them over time, we need a permanent subscription. We can use the information in the chart we saved from Insights Viewer to set up a subscription to the same counters. Statistics can be used to create analytics reports or for monitoring performance over time, for example, for use in SLA management. We create subscriptions in the Insight Administrator application for the service SAPs. We configure the collection interval and sync time to control when and how often statistics are collected. We'll use the default values for this demo. Here we can refer to the saved chart configuration from Insights Viewer. We'll choose the same telemetry type and counters, and copy the object filter. This way we're setting up a permanent subscription to the same statistics as Insight Viewer was showing when we charted the utilization statistics. Returning to network supervision, we can also view utilization statistics from here to verify that the traffic is moving between service endpoints. In the topology view, we'll open the group containing the service and select the utilization view. The NSP automatically creates two subscriptions in Insights Administrator for the ports associated with the endpoints when the NEs are present in the network supervision utilization map. NSP gives these subscriptions a prefix netsup. The subscriptions are based on the telemetry types classic utilization and interfaces. If needed, we can view or edit the subscriptions in Insights Administrator. And for the Interfaces subscription, we can chart it in Insights Viewer. Let's use the Network Health Dashboard one more way to retrieve data about the health of a service and its components. If a service is experiencing problems, one step in troubleshooting can be checking port details on the service endpoints. On the Network Health Dashboard, navigate to Ports. Select a port associated with one of the service endpoints and click Show in Equipment View. The Equipment Inventory page opens in Network Supervision, with the port highlighted in the equipment tree. Network Supervision shows the status of the port, for example, the administrative state, operational state, and port data rate. The Network Health Dashboard also gives us another method to verify details about the service and its components, allowing click-through navigation to service supervision at the service level or at the endpoint level. On the Network Health Dashboard, navigate to the Services dashlet. Select the service and click Show in Service Supervision. The services list opens in Service Supervision for the group containing the service. Alternatively, we could use the Service Endpoints dashlet and cross-launch Service Supervision from a service endpoint. NSP is adding a new Troubleshooting Dashboard. Let's take a look. Viewing a target in the Troubleshooting Dashboard can help you see where to look to investigate a problem. On the Network Health Dashboard, navigate to Ports. Select a port and choose POC Troubleshooting. The Proof of Concept Troubleshooting Dashboard opens for the port. The dashboard shows summary information for the port and the equipment it's on, and provides a health and an alarm summary. We can click Show in Equipment View to see the port in Network Supervision, or Show in Fault Management to view alarm details. As shown in this video, NSP provides fluid cross-application integrations and a variety of entry points to monitor and investigate service performance.